Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Before I get started with the 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter, I have to apologize to Sabrina. I was doing a video of this gift. I already was almost saying goodbye, and at a power surge. My lights blinked a couple times, and then power outage. Done. And looked in my neighborhood, and yep, lights were out. And then I went to bed. I'm like, oh well, can't do nothing, go to bed. So I was going, and then I got up to go find my video, because I'm like, okay, I'll explain. I was going to try editing, add the video, and then add a little thing at the end. Sorry about this. Video's gone. I don't know where it went. So it didn't save. Probably because I didn't stop recording. It just, boom. So I don't know where that video went. Not a man's land, I guess. It's gone. I looked. I can't find it. I'll find it in 2 years or something. But, so, I already had the gift open for day 10 of the 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. So what I did is underneath this is the gift. And I thought, for your surprise, and it's awesome, guys. My excitement is the same as it was last night when I did this video. Ready? Da-da-da-da! I don't know where Sabrina found these, but I haven't seen these, and if she hauled these, I missed them. Because I tell you, I'd probably had her pick me up these. So I don't know if they're from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, because I know she shops at most and she gets good deals. Ready? Oh, look at that! I love it. I am going to be set for next fall. So, we have the pot holders. Look at this image on here. See, it says the home collection. So I don't know if these, like I said, if they're from the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. But I didn't see these at my Dollar Tree if they were. And I hit or missed the Dollar General. So they say hello fall, and you got the truck and the barn. And then you got the towel. And look at the cup. I love it. And then the pot holder, or the oven mitt. Hey, Sabrina, it actually hangs right. I was like, yeah, oh my God, it hangs right. So, can you believe it's the 10th of December already? We're like 15 days away from that 25th before that guy comes down. 14 before he comes down the chimney. This month is going on way too fast for me. So, I have thoroughly enjoyed everything that I've received from Sabrina. The homemade gifts. I really love the homemade gifts. The guitar, the little red truck, the gnomes. I'm like, oh my God, they're so cute. And then her sense of humor. I got the doll head still sitting here. I mean, can you believe that? Something you can creep out next Halloween, and she sends me a doll head. You know? It's like, oh my God. So it's been fun. I mean, the gnomes. Oh my God, the gnomes are adorable. So it's been so much fun doing this. And like I said, this stuff is awesome, but I love the homemade gifts. The homemade gifts are just win me over. And that's with anybody. If I receive a homemade gift from somebody, it's because it's their thought, their time. You know, not that Sabrina didn't put her thought and time in this, but it's like when you make a homemade gift, there's that extra spin love in it, is I guess you're going to say. And with Sabrina doing hers, buying for her, because she shops more than I do at DT. So I looked at something, I'm like, oh yeah, she already's got that. Yep, she's already got that. So I had to kind of throw a spin into mine a little bit. And I know I've been driving her crazy with my madness, but at the end, I think the meaning's there, and I hope she enjoys it. And I know Zach already took one of the gifts I made and took off with it and put it in his room. She told me that the other day. So I think it's funny. I'm thinking, wait, there's another one he might take off with. But I forgot what order she's getting things in. I had it all wrote down, and I lost a piece of paper. So when she's opening now, I'm thinking, oh yeah, that's what today is. So I kind of know, but certain days I didn't know. So I hope she's enjoying it. I am thoroughly enjoying this. My husband went to me the other day, I want to do 25 days of Christmas. I'm like, find a buddy. He goes, yeah, but he goes, I'd be like, we have to shop at Fleet Farm, Harbor Freights. He goes, and our limit would be had to be like $20. I'm like, that's a lot of money for December. He goes, well, think about it. A set of tools would be like $25, $30 depending what I was buying. So I know I laugh because we were supposed to, the budget was $1 a day. Okay, we were supposed to make something and spend $1. And throughout the month. And I think I was 4 or 5 days in after we talked about doing it, and I said to Sabrina, I already run over the budget. She started laughing. She goes, me too. So we just let it rolled with it. It wasn't about the price of what we bought. It was the enjoyment of doing it, So thank you so much, Sabrina. These are awesome. I'm really sorry about the power outage funky thing that happened. And so you didn't see me unwrap these. My excitement is the same as it was last night. I was going to say yesterday. Last night, when I did it. So I was hoping when I got up this morning, the power came back on because it startled me. Because when I went to bed, when the power went out, I waited and waited and didn't come back on. I forgot to turn off my craft light and the hallway light, so when it did come on, the hall light came on, I'm like, what the hell? So got up, turned it all off, and that was about an hour afterwards. So I don't know. Probably some damn idiot hit a pole. You never know. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And I will see you on the next one. Merry Christmas!